Hey guys, today I'm going to be trying to get as much cleaning as I can done while having my baby home. It's just me and her today because my husband's at work. So we'll see how much we can get done because she hates being put down. And yeah, should be interesting trying to see if we can even accomplish anything. I'm going to start off in the bathroom because that is where it needs the most done. So I'll start out with washing the tub because it was disgusting. There was like stains in it, and yeah, it was just long overdue for a clean. I usually start by rinsing it out with some water just to get it wet, and then I'll go in with some Comet bleach powder and just sprinkle that around, and then take a scrubbing brush and just scrub as much as I can out of it. And in the corner, if you notice, it looks like almost like mold in the corners and around the edge. It's not, it's just like the sealant of the tub that's like really dirty, and there's like nothing I can do to get that out. So it's just an old house with an old tub. But yeah, it looks gross, but there's not much I can do about it. So here's the after, and it looks so much better besides the areas in the corners like I was talking about. So next I will move on to the toilet, and I know it looks awful, okay, that toilet seat, but it's not dirt. It's actually stained from my black leggings, and we ended up a couple days later just buying a whole new toilet seat because I tried scrubbing that even with a magic eraser, and nothing would get those black stains out. So it's not disgusting, it's just, or it's like not dirty, it's just, you know, from my pants. So, but yeah, we replaced the whole seat because nothing was getting those stains out, and it looked awful. I need to find a more effective way to clean my toilet because I use like a cleaner that I make with vinegar, water, but I use toilet paper to wipe it off because I'm not sure any other ways to like be cleanly with it. I didn't want to use a rag. I mean, I guess I could and just wash it. I'll probably have to start doing that because I don't like wasting so much toilet paper every time I clean the toilet. And I do use a magic wand to clean the inside of it and the rim. So next I'm moving on to my sink, and again, it was pretty dirty, and I don't know if you can see, but the mirror was covered in like toothpaste stains, so it was pretty gross and way overdue to be cleaned. But with a newborn, it's pretty hard to find time to get a lot of cleaning done. She always wants to be held, so it can be difficult to try to get done. I use the same vinegar water solution to clean my sink, and then I use Windex on the mirrors. So here's after. It looks so much better, and by now my baby was not having sitting in her bouncer anymore, so I had to put her in the carrier, and I went downstairs to the kitchen to do some sweeping because the floors were just disgusting. So there she is, just looking all cute in the carrier, and she did fall asleep after a few minutes. She was way overtired. Here I'm just spraying down the counters and stove with this orange Lysol, and this scent is just amazing. I wish I could find more of it, but you know, pandemic, it's hard to find the same cleaners over and over. Any dishes that are left in the sink from the day, I always get done at night before I go to bed. I don't even bother washing them in between, so I don't have to continually wash dishes. I just wait till the end of the day and put her in the swing and I get it done. So at this point, it was a little later in the day. I had to take a break. She woke up. So now I'm just throwing in a load of laundry because I'm always doing laundry with a baby with spit up clothes and poop stain clothes. There's always something to do. I always add a stain remover. It's the Pure C brand, so it's like scent and dye free, and some baking soda just to help wash. Then I went upstairs to her room and just put away some things that were left out. And I had to empty out her diaper genie because it was super full and needed to be emptied. Here I am just switching the laundry over, and at this point I was just kind of tired and kind of done with cleaning for the day. It'd been a long day and my baby was not being very patient with me at this point. She was just not wanting to cooperate, I guess. She had woken